Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting with a contact in HubSpot. Whether you're new or just need a refresher, I'll guide you step by step. Start by opening your browser and going to the HubSpot homepage. Click the Login button at the top right and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for all your tools. Next, click on the CRM link. This is where you manage all your customer relationships. From there, go to the Contacts section, where you can see and organize all your clients, stakeholders, and partners. Select the contact you want to meet with. Then, look for the Schedule a Meeting option, usually at the top of the Contacts window. Click it, and a dialog box will appear where you can enter the date, time, location, and any notes or agenda items. Make sure to check the time zone if your contact is in a different region. Once everything looks good, save the meeting. HubSpot will notify your contact and sync with your calendar, keeping everything organized. And that's it. Scheduling meetings in HubSpot is simple, efficient, and keeps your professional communications smooth.